You will never use fabric softener again. Next time you're about to run out of fabric softener, you'll think twice before buying a new one. Soon you'll see why I only use this homemade solution instead of store-bought softener. It's about the ingredients in fabric softeners. Many of them are toxic, but that's not all. The surfactants responsible for making fabrics feel so soft can cause allergies and skin reactions. Fabric softeners are not truly safe for your health. The chemicals in them are also harmful to the environment. Think about this next time you pull out those soft, cozy clothes and towels. It's much better to use a different solution, one you can easily make at home. All you need is to dissolve one simple product in water, and you'll have a safe fabric softener. Pour 100 milliliters of water into a container. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Stir until the baking soda dissolves. If you want a nice scent for your laundry, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. That's it. You now have a homemade alternative to store-bought fabric softener. Just use one measure of this solution. Pour it into the fabric softener compartment of your washing machine, usually the middle one marked with a flower, and you're done. You can now wash your clothes without worrying about allergic ingredients.